Today we're going to take a look at the Samyang or Rokinon 35-150 F2-2.8 for the Sony E-mount. First thing that I was pleasantly surprised by was its minimum focusing distance. At 35mm, it can focus as close as 13 inches or 33 centimeters with the magnification of 0.18. So it's not a macro lens by any means, but considering the length of this lens, 13 inches felt very close, and being able to shoot this close just adds even more to the versatility of the long range that this lens covers. And of course, all that range will be useless if the resolution couldn't back it up. But I'm glad to report that this lens is extremely sharp pretty much at any focal length from corner to corner. Samyang once again delivers on value and performance. This lens can potentially replace 2 or 3 fast zooms and primes in your bag.